I'm Suzanne from Sicard RV. Today we're going to go over some exterior and interior options of the brand new floor plan for Jayco, the 2021 Eagle HT 24 RE. Some of our exterior features is this brand new white exterior with new graphics, side view camera prepped, a nice large power awning with LED lights. It also has some nice pass-through storage, exterior speakers, the more ride steps with a large assist handle. The rear of this fifth wheel, you'll see backup camera prepped and a nice ladder. Some of the interior features on this unit is optional fireplace, a nice stereo system, trifold couch, entertainment center with a beautiful large pantry. Also new for 2021, you'll see the American Craftsman decor. In our kitchen area, you'll see a nice double stainless steel sink, matching Furrion appliances, and also an 8 cubic foot refrigerator. In our master bedroom, we have some really nice storage. This could also be converted into the washer dryer as it's prepped for it. We also have a place that you can hang a TV and hang your robe. It also comes with the optional king bed. In our bathroom, you'll see we have a porcelain toilet, a really nice stand-up shower, storage, and vanity. Thank you for watching our tour. For more information, please contact us at sales@sicardrv.com.